Welcome back to another video. Today we will be learning how to use commands in Discord. So last time we worked on just setting up everything, and now we will work on how to create those commands that you see in all of those other bots. Now, before we start, I want to just show our Discord again. Um, Join it because we post updates, we have streams, all sorts of things. So make sure you do that. Our game is getting close to release, so make sure you will be able to become a tester before that happens. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. So I changed my audio. My volume might sound very different, it probably does, but we can start off by figuring out when our bot sends a message. Now, the way we do this is by similar how we did client.once, we want to do client.on so it does it multiple times. Message, we want to make the message. We do not want to autocomplete that. We want this message to be whatever happens in these curly brackets. So now those are there. So this means that whenever someone sends a message, something happens. So we can do that by simply writing console.log, and we can say someone wrote a message. There we go. Now if we run the bot and we go into Discord and our tutorial bot and just write test, someone wrote a message twice for the two messages, right? So if we write message there. Now our bot does not necessarily know what's in the message yet, so we need to check to make sure some things. For example, we do not want the bot to activate if it's the bot speaking. Now the way we do this is very simply if exclamation mark, meaning if this is false, message.author.bot, meaning if it is not the bot, we can run the next code. So next code we want would be const args is equal to message dot content dot slice, and then we will add a prefix here, so we'll do dot split. There we go. So we want to make it prefix dot length, and because we do not have a prefix yet, we can add that at the top. So below our client, var prefix, and we can make ours an exclamation mark like many bots out there. So that way what it will do is this args will take off the exclamation mark from every single thing we send, and then it will do that. So for example, we can do console.log args, so that now if we say exclamation mark test, make sure we run it first. Right, now we do Cortana's opening still. Okay. Test, and it'll say test. Perfect. So now that that's done, we can obviously remove this because we know that works. And next we can add const command. Now this will make it so that we have a command to work with. So we want to change it all to lowercase. Now you may want to do uppercase. It depends on how you're coding your bot, but you simply just change it to upper, lower, and this here, and it'll work. Now I'm going to be doing lowercase. I find that to be easier. So if we do console.log command, and we run it, we can see that if we do test, test shows up. If we do test in all capitals, test still shows up. If we do hi with capital H lowercase I, it'll still correct like that, and vice versa. If we do that, it corrects. And that means that if someone accidentally capitalizes something, it won't completely break the bot, and that will all work. So now we're able to get this, and it's as simple as actually making it if command is equal to, and then whatever we want here. So say test, we do not need the console.log. display monitor broke. Command is equal to test. We can say message dot reply working. So now if we go into our Discord bot, do exclamation mark test, it replies at ShadowWolf26 working. So now we can also make it so it does not reply in message.channel.send, which is what most people do. Save it. And it works. So you can create something like exclamation mark help be equal to these are all the commands. And then you can list them. So we can say, for example, exclamation mark help is equal to help and exclamation mark send is equal to send me a message. Right, there we go. So now we can also program our exclamation mark send. So just copy this over. If it's send, we can do the message dot reply hi. That works. So if we go and we restart the bot, do exclamation mark help, it gives these. Now, most of the time you see them in embeds instead of in the straight format, but we'll be covering that in the next video. I've been super busy with homework and stuff lately, so I wasn't able to get this video out. This is a relatively short one, but thank you for watching. Remember to leave a like if you liked the video and share it with your friends if you found it helpful. We are, well, we are 25 subscribers. I was going to say close to something, but we aren't. We also stream. I'm not sure whether or not to do it on Twitch. Make sure to join our Discord if you want all of the updates. We sped run making a game. There will be highlights posted for that on Thursday, which is tomorrow. So yeah, I will see you next time we have a video.